Hello friends, I hope this finds you well. I take this opportunity to welcome all of us again to our continuing series of understanding the children related ministries in the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Today we are doing the second part of children's ministries as we continue to see its difference with the junior youth ministries. That is the Pathfinder and the Adventurer Club. So today, allow me share with us, let me say, who makes the council, who are the committee members of the children's ministries, who are these that operate the affairs of the children's ministries. As you all understand, that the Pathfinder and the Adventurer Club have officers and staff members. Now, in the children's ministries, we don't have officers, we don't have staff. In the children's ministries, we have a leader, and this leader's name, the name that the leader for the children's ministry, the name that has been given is Children's Ministries Coordinator. So the name of the leader for the children's ministries is a coordinator, the Children's Ministries Coordinator. The leader for the Adventurer and the Pathfinder Club is the club director. Another difference that we have. So the leader for the children's ministries is a coordinator. Now, this leader have a council. According to the local church, you can have assistant children's ministries leaders who will consist of the assistant, maybe the treasurer, the secretary, name all the executive that you can have in your local church. Now, after having the coordinator and the assistants and maybe the treasurer or even the secretary, then there are people who automatically join and become the council members, and these are they are called the leaders of all children entities. So who are these leaders of children's entities? Number one, that is the Adventurer Director and the Pathfinder Director. In some churches, they even elect a VBS leader. If a church has a VBS leader, that VBS leader also makes the composition of the council for the children's ministries. But allow me to put this, which is a very important point to understand. A church that has a children's ministries leader or coordinator is not expected to have a VBS leader, because VBS is a program within the children's ministries. I know this one is something that many churches might not be doing pretty well, but it's okay if there's a VBS leader. But according to a manual, whenever we have a leader for the children's ministries, then a VBS leader is not required to be there. But now, if there is a VBS leader, then it is what important. Another thing that we need to understand, that the council should work hand in hand with the elder and the pastor, and we're being told that the optimal number of the committee members is between 5 and 10. They should not exceed that. And then when you add any other person, then the name should be taken to the board, church board, for approval. So today we are sharing that what is the composition of the council of the children's ministries as compared to the Pathfinder and the Adventurer Club. Adventurer and Pathfinder Club have a director, executive, staff, and the rest. But in the children's ministries, the leader is called a coordinator, who is the chair. Who else makes that council? We have the assistants, if they are there, and then the Pathfinder and the Adventurer Club leaders, the directors, are also part of it, and then any other person who has been elected to in children department. And this one, I should also say that the Sabbath school can elect one of its council members to help coordinate children's ministries. Sabbath school, the eye of the the larger Sabbath school, they can elect someone to join, so that there is a linkage between the two of you, because Sabbath school pretendant or Sabbath school leader is also a council member of the children's ministries. That is the council, the children's ministries. God bless you. Let's keep learning. Cheers.